Hello and welcome back everyone. It is a 4 IC speaker box. It uses one 2030 IC for each of the two 3-inch speakers. And two 2050 ICs are used for a 6-inch subwoofer. One of its speakers caught fire while playing and a 2030 IC was burnt. So it is now open for repair. The circuit board is now separated from its back cover. It can be seen how a 2030 IC is burnt. Now let's see what is the condition of the burnt speaker. You can see how the coil caught fire and the paper of the speaker was also burnt. Now the IC 2030 is separated from the heatsink by unscrewing the nut. Now the solder is removed with the help of hot iron and solder release wire. The IC was opened with the help of soldering iron and a slight pull from the reverse side with a screwdriver. The IC area is being cleared a little to install the new IC. Now the speaker will also be changed. So the speaker nuts are being loosened. Now the burnt speaker is being disconnected and separated. Now the new speaker is being wiring and screwing. And cover is attached. This time IC 2030 will be changed. Now aligning the legs and installing the IC in place. then screwing it to the heatsink. This time, IC pins and foil connections are being soldered properly. Care should be taken that one does not stick to the other. The circuit board is screwed back to the back cover. By turning on the power and connecting the Bluetooth, the back cover is being fitted again as before. Now you can understand that it is playing properly. But without further delay, give a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the full video. We'll talk again in the next video. Thanks again and Namaskar.